Hey, puppy. Let's say what's up to the people, twin. Your breath gonna be stinking. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Well, you smell like some bad
Yo, where the f is J-Lo?
Y'all seen J-Lo?
Where you at?
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo. Wait, what? What up, YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo. Capital J, lowercase. Nah, the L's. What? What's up, YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo, here back again with another video. And today, you know what I'm saying, you already know what this one is about. My baby Miss Corvette. We got the Ranger, you know what I'm saying, kicking it beside it, but it's about the Corvette today. Last episode of, I was talking about getting this gas pedal mounted up. And, you know, I did some fabrication to it. I got it painted. It's not the prettiest, but it serves the purpose that it's supposed to serve. It's all one piece. We just have to mount it on the firewall so we could use it. And then I have the little junction box that goes from this to the wiring harness, so that'll be another thing that's crossed off the list to get done. So today, that's the major focus, is that if I have more time left, we're gonna focus on that gas tank. If you missed last episode, this gas tank, man, I didn't cover it the last time I was messing with it. It's covered now, but before the last time I was messing with it, I did not cover it properly, and because of that, bunch of water got in there. More just entered, actually. I don't know if you can see down in there. It's a bunch of water mixed with gas, so I gotta drain that entire thing out. Might be a little bit of rust down there too, so I'm gonna spray some vinegar, some water mixture down there to clean that up. If we got time today, that'll be the second order. That's what we focused on today, mostly, is that gas pedal. Ain't that right?
Yeah.
You did what I'm saying. Uh-oh. That boy got some fishes. Hold on. Hey, puppy. Let's say what's up to the people, twin. Your breath gonna be stinking. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Well, you smell like some bad but cool. Let's get to this gas pedal. Get this lit up for y'all, man. This ain't the best light. I hope y'all can actually see. But the pedal, we need to get it mounted up there. Let me get a light. All right, so we got a light in here now, and I told y'all we need to, these are the two studs. These right here, those two studs is what the previous gas pedal was mounted to. I'm gonna attempt to at least use one of those and attempt to use this as well, just to see the one that I fabricated in place right here, this one.
Let me drive the boat.
As you can see, we did get another hole drilled through right here. After placing it, trying to fit it up, it's not where it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna go probably about an inch above it. And that should 100% clear. We should be in the clear to get it mounted. Alright, so we got another hole drilled up top right here, the big gaping hole right there. And we're about to try to fit this bad boy in. Hopefully it'll work. As y'all see, we got the gas pedal partially installed. There's a 10mm up there that's holding that bad boy in front of that zip tie. There's a 10mm up there that I have to get tightened, but aside from that, it does fit it. So we are good. We're gonna go ahead and grab the wiring harness from the gas pedal, and then we're going to connect everything up as far as that goes, and then we're gonna jump to something else. As y'all can see, man, this is kind of like the rough draft, rough mock-up. As you can see, throttle pedal cable, not cable, but the wiring harness does attach to it. This is supposed to be ran through the firewall and coming through the other side. However, I'm gonna leave it in the cabin and run it up through there to the opposite side, so this is hidden from plain sight. Next, I didn't get the VATS delete off of this ECU, so there's a possibility that it won't even fire up, but I am gonna go ahead and detach both of these and put that on the new harness. And then the only thing that's really left is grounds, like I said, fuel lines, transmission lines, and that C-beam, and that should be it. So we just keep knocking it out. Let's keep rolling, dog. By the way, this is a long, strenuous process, so if y'all digging it, if y'all rocking with it, please leave your boy a like and then share that too. You did what I'm saying. Help my channel grow. I'm tired of being small. You did what I'm saying. Do you feel me? Right, puppy? I mean, you feel what I'm saying, but I'm finna go ahead and swap this ECU out. Hey, Jay, come here. So y'all can see, ECU is now connected. So the rest is just more physical labor. Getting under the car, connecting the transmission, fuel. I feel like I just said that like 10 times. Y'all know what else I got left to do. This is probably all I'm doing for today, which is progress. This is something that I have been dreading for a while, but as you can see, we got it done. I don't know why the camera won't focus. There you go. As y'all can see, we got it done. So that's another thing crossed off the list. I'll probably come back out here tomorrow and do some more work while I got some free time. But as of right now, that's all I got for y'all. Love y'all. Appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy. And it's your boy J-Lo. Signing out. Peace. Bow.